Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, tow hitch, bed liner, premium wheels, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.